Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. I got some stuff for you today. I had stopped at Hobby Lobby and picked up a couple things today that I would like to show you. Some new stuff that I want to try out. And we'll get to that in just a second. But first, I have a shop card shout out for you.
I bought a brand new model and I brought it home. A Woody with a blower and a bunch of chrome.
This is Noelle at the Wicked Crafter. If you have not seen this woman's work, you're missing out because she does some very impressive stuff. And I had the luxury of actually meeting her and her husband WT at a show last month in May. And they are wonderful, wonderful people. And yeah, that accent is real. And it's so cute. But she's also a very talented model. First, she designed this card all by herself and wouldn't even let her husband see it until they had come in the mail. This one right here, this is the one that she built for her bootleg ball, and in here the headlights are lit up, and I've got some pictures of this that I was able to take at the show. This Jeep right here, if you haven't seen the updates on this, you're going to be impressed when you see it. She's building it for the autism group build, and she has some wonderful features on it. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but I haven't seen it all yet, and I'm already impressed and don't even know what it's going to be like when it's done. But yeah, she designed this card all by herself, including the back. And I have to say, Noelle, besides you being a great person, very talented with everything that I've seen you do, you're a very nice person too. So if you guys haven't seen Noelle, get over there and check her out. One of the things I picked up today is this bottle of Aleene's glue. What I've been looking for, and what some people, I'm pretty sure I got the name brand right, but I don't know if I got the actual type of glue right. I'm looking for a white glue type stuff that I can do some test fitting with that doesn't require it to sit overnight for me to pick it back up and see if it's how everything's going to get. So if you guys know if this is the wrong stuff of Aleene's and you know which one's the right one, let me know. Let me find out the right kind. Put that down in the comments or something, please. Thank you. Also picked up some glass files at Hobby Lobby. This is one of their new things that they have. Now, I haven't used these before, but a friend at the club, Panhandle Automotive, Florida Panhandle Automotive Modeling Society, highly recommends these, and since they're only $5, I thought I'd give them a try. It doesn't say the grits on them, but we'll open it up in a few minutes and find out. Like most of you out there, bench is a constant thing that needs organized, and mine is certainly no exception, probably worse than most. But something else new I seen at Hobby Lobby is this little desktop organizer. It's wood, it looks out not quite quarter-inch. It's pretty thin stuff, but it looks sturdy and it looks like it just snaps together pretty easily. And it was only $6. You know what? I can try it. Let's put it together. It's not going to make my bench any worse. Gotta try to clean it up. Yeah. I also picked up 57 T-Bird on clearance for $7.49. I couldn't pass it up. Give me a few minutes to get the camera turned around, and we're going to check out what's in this box, as well as the glass files, and see if we can get this organizer put together. What Did You Buy Wednesday is brought to you by Joel over at Blue Sky Models and Link of Link's Poisons. I can't remember. Did I say that before? Well, I guess we'll find out during editing. So let's check out these glass files. Interesting. I thought that maybe this would come back into and slide on as a handle, but apparently they don't. But I do like how flat they are. Let's see if they feel like different grits. Oh, they're definitely different grits. I can feel that. This one is coarser, but I would have no idea the number. And this one is a very coarse, much coarser one. So it looks like this is pretty coarse. Then this is a medium. Let's see, let's find something to sand a little bit right here real quick. Alright, we're going to set that off to the side for later because I want to open up this. Set this aside till later because I want to open up this. I want to see. Yeah, Gracie wants to see what it is too. Oh, it does come with instructions. Spots for brushes, different part identifications. It says glue is recommended. So maybe I will have a place to use that Aline stuff if I bought the wrong one. While the instructions have part numbers on them, I do not see part numbers on the pieces individually. So let's see, well, since that has the label on the inside, we don't like the label on the inside. On the outside, we'll start it like this. Okay, I got this all together now, and I rearranged some of my bench a little bit. Don't look, Tiffany. I moved one of the little Harbor Freight boxes over there, and another one on this thing. I gotta move this and replace it with something smaller. But back to the Harbor Freight tool organizer. I'm liking this so far. I did make some modifications to it so that it's tilted up a little bit, and if you can see back there. Let's get that pointer. I'm propping it up a little bit to give it this angle so I can see it a little bit better. And I also added some things so that not everything drops through because it's up higher now. But plan on putting the paints that I use more often, maybe in this section right here. Toothpicks, super glue, sanding sticks, X-Acto knives, saws, scissors, cutters, pencils. I might have to do some modifications to this, but so far I like it, and I think it's going to help at least a little bit. Tiffany's probably laughing, going, he needs a lot of help. And I know your way of doing it, just wipe everything off the desk and start all over. I'm not brave enough for that. Alright guys, well, this has gone on long enough. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode of What Did You Get Wednesday? And we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers. Hey, what are you monkeys doing? Tyrone. So, Gracie says, nope, not me. You ain't dragging me into this stuff. Whether you're painting model cars, armor, big rigs, t-shirts, or even people, Gallery has the right products for you. Don't forget to use code PappyTinkers at checkout for 10% off.